In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert text to video with Veed.io. To get started, open your browser and log into your Veed.io account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the top of the screen for the main menu. Hover your mouse over the option labeled Create. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Gen AI Studio. The page will refresh, and this is where all the magic happens. After the page reloads, you'll see a large text field in the center. This is where you can either enter a short prompt describing the video you want or paste in a full script. If you'd like to work with a script instead of a simple prompt, look at the bottom left of that text field and switch the mode from prompt to script. This gives you more control over exactly what will be said in the video. Type in your prompt or paste your script carefully. It helps to be clear and specific about the style or outcome you're aiming for, such as the tone of voice or the type of video you want. Once you're happy with what you've written, click the Generate button. Veed will now start creating your video. The time it takes to generate the video will depend on how detailed or complex your prompt or script is. Short, simple prompts usually process faster, while longer scripts may take a bit more time. When the generation is complete, you won't just see a single result. Instead, Veed typically provides a few video options on the left side of the screen, so you can browse different variations and choose the one you like best. On the right side of the screen, you'll find a panel with editing options. Here, you can adjust the language of the voiceover. Select different voice styles, change the background music, update the subtitle font style, and choose the aspect ratio that best fits your platform, like vertical for social media or horizontal for YouTube. Take a moment to play your video to make sure everything sounds and looks the way you want. If you notice anything you'd like to refine, you can tweak these settings and preview again. Once you're satisfied with the result, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Done. Your text has now been successfully converted into a video using Veed.io, and you're ready to download or share it wherever you need.